there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give 5 numbers, and then our program will check which of the 5 numbers has a greater numerical value than 15 in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my 2 websites. Okay, so basically guys, I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. So we have here the two library file, the IO stream for input-output, IO mani for input-output manipulator that will be used later on in our set with command. So basically the IO stream is a library file for input-output, just like console out, console in C++. Using namespace std and main, it is the starting point of every C and C++ program. And then we have here a couple of variables, I, array 5 with 5 elements in C, counter. We have here the title of our program, greater than 15 in C++. In this line of code guys, we are asking the user to give 5 numbers that will be stored in our array R. Okay, so next we have here \n, \t, new line in \horizontal tab. In this line of code, we are checking for numbers array greater than or equal to 15, and then we display here array I using the for loop statement, and then the set with or set w5 using this library file IO manip. Okay, for spacing, counter +1 increment. So in this line of code, we display the total numbers greater than 15 and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then new line here, and then we close the body of our main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in this tutorial video. Let us compile and run so that we can see the result. Our program right now is running perfectly. Let us check. Greater than 15 in C++, we have 6, we have 45, we have 78, we have 23 and 12. So we have numbers that are higher than 15 is 45, 78, 93. Total numbers greater than 15 are 3 and a program. Another example. Okay, 89, 23, 565 and 89. Okay, so numbers greater than 15 are 89, 23, 565 and 89. Total numbers greater than 15 are 4 and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of greater than 15 in C++. Thank you so much guys for watching. To summarize, the things that we learned in this program is how to declare variables, array declaration, the use of if-else statement, conditional statement, using IO manip for set with command, so in one-dimensional arrays that are very essentials when you are learning fundamentals of C++ programming. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Kindly click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.